How to make fried chicken.
Step 1. You need to wash your hands. After doing so, make sure you have your chicken out and thawed out. Step 3. You will need the following things: a bowl, 2 eggs, flour, a plate, vegetable oil, and a pan. Step 4. Crack your eggs into the bowl. Step 5. Use a fork or a mixing tool to mix the yolk with the egg white. Step 6. Pour out flour onto the plate, as we have already done. And step 7. Put your pan on the stove and light it at medium, as we have already done. And step 8. Pour vegetable oil, as we've already done. Step 9. Cut your chicken breast into pieces, if not done already. Step 10. Dip the chicken into the mixing egg. Step 11. Roll egg in chicken flour. Step 12. Place chicken slowly into the pan with your tongs. And repeat. Step 13, you pull out your chicken when it is golden crisp. It should take about 3 to 5 minutes.